So we planted this chard in springtime and it grew very well and it gave us a lot of leaves, and the summer passed and the fall passed and winter is almost through, and this plant these all these plants, they survived. You can overwinter chard in USDA zone 6 and above, but it will seed quickly in the second year. So now these leaves have been sitting there for a long time and I'm sure they are not good for eating. So what I'll do is that I'll prune them, and because spring is almost here, so then new fresh leaves will grow. Chard is a great source of lot of minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium and sodium, and also it is rich in vitamin A. It has many different names, like it's called swiss-chard, silver beet, spinach beet, leaf beet, sea kale beet. It requires partial sun or full sun depending on how harsh the sun is. The soil should be rich, and of course it needs a lot of water because it has a lot of leaves. I'm leaving one or two leaves in the middle, which are the fresh leaves growing, but I'm cutting all the older leaves, so that way the fresh leaves will grow and all the old ones which are hard and not probably tasty at this point, just pruning all those. So as the leaves start to mature, you should keep pruning them and that will promote more growth. So as you can see, I have cleaned up all the big leaves and only the young ones are remaining. I'm going to water it, and as they start to grow, I'll keep you posted. So it's been a month, and if you look at these plants, they're growing very nicely, all of them. New leaves have come, and they're all fresh leaves. So our decision of chopping them off was a good one. So now I can just start using these fresh leaves and keep enjoying them for another season. The most interesting part of the Swiss chard is its rainbow color stems. Some of them are yellow, some are orange, some are magenta, red. So they are really nice to look at. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.